When cleanliness means everything, the right products matter. You may think all microfiber cleaning products are created equal. They are not. Quality, performance, and durability varies greatly. UMF is the only company that designs and produces high-performance, hospital-grade biocomponent microfiber yarns and converts these yarns into finished products. These clinically acceptable products cover all markets including hospitals, major hotel brands, universities, and meets the new USP 797 criteria for compounding pharmacies. What makes PerfectCLEAN microfiber so different? It's innovation and many firsts. First to develop a hook-and-loop microfiber flat mop. First to exceed CDC Commercial Laundry guidelines for bloodborne pathogens. First true color-coded system. First ONEperROOM methodology to reduce room-to-room cross-contamination. First and only lifetime hardware warranty. First products covered by multiple patents. First rechargeable antimicrobial product protection. Train and support infection prevention programs, hygiene and housekeeping, customizable to each specific customer's preferences. Unrivaled product performance achieved through independent lab testing and in-service validation by customers across all markets, proving PerfectCLEAN removes everything from a surface including bacteria, viruses, and endotoxins. UMF delivers customer-centric product solutions for any challenge. The Orange Mitt, for washrooms only, eliminates C. diff and neurovirus cross-contamination risks from toilets. The patented PerfectCLEAN paddle developed for Marriott cleans those difficult-to-reach spots on gliding glass shower doors. The SDX bucketless mop system is reliable, durable, light, and easy to use. Developed for a Disney hotel, Stripes is simply the best food service towel ever. Do more, do better. Do it for less. UMF Corporation, cleaning up the environment, one room at a time.